Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Hello, hi, assalamu alaikum viewers. This is Erzsébet Furmen signing in once again in front of you with a beautiful and amazing art and craft video of pebble, stone and rock. These are the very interesting and the cute ideas. As you can see, these are very colorful, interesting, very much beautiful. He crafted and enclosed it in a frame box. Viewers, these ideas are for anyone else on any occasion. As you can see, there is no vulgarity in this art and craft, so you can enjoy these paintings or art and craft with your friend and family. Viewers, these are not limited for one age, or these are for everyone else, for any occasion, any event. Viewers, if you like my one of them ideas, so please give your reviews and feedback in our comment section, and must share my video with your friends and family. And if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel and don't forget to follow my channel by liking and pressing the bell icon. Viewers, share my video with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz. Stay tuned, stay blessed with us. We'll be right back. Thank you for watching.